Hi everyone, it's Barry. Welcome. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek at the new Cisco Audit Logs by Variphy. And trust me, you're going to like what you see. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate over to my Cisco Call Manager cluster and open the Log Analysis utility. Here's where things get interesting. You now have several ways to search and filter your logs, and the big difference compared to before is, well, let me show you. Previously, we were searching through flat log files. So if a customer had, say, 100,000 files on their system, they'd have to individually pick which days and which files to search. As you can imagine, that was pretty cumbersome. Which brings us to the new methodology, database-driven audit log analysis. Instead of hunting through files, everything is now in a database. That means we can pick specific dates, custom ranges, or even use some predefined timeframes. For example, let's search the current month and click Apply. Now, you can filter by event types, device upgrades, configuration updates, user role updates, and more. Let's look at general user configuration updates. By adding this filter, we can quickly see every configuration event for the month. Here's the output: date and time of the event, user ID who made the change, IP address of the change, node information in Cisco Call Manager, resources and status info, and most importantly, the details, like the exact fields that were updated. For instance, here we can see a device name updated to IPC Matt Sykes, enterprise level changes, and more. Now, let's get more specific. Instead of just general updates, we can filter by a user ID. I'll search for Victor at variphy.com. Instantly, all changes related to Victor pop up. Notice that Victor wasn't actually making changes here. He was added to Cisco Call Manager. This is a much faster, cleaner approach than digging through thousands of files manually. You can also search by keywords across all fields, specific user IDs, applications, or even just the details field. For example, let's see changes made by Jeff Young this month. Instantly, we see all the changes he's made. Another great feature, you can customize which columns are visible. Maybe you don't care about the resource or node. Remove them. Want them back? Just add them back in. When it comes to searching the details field, you can be explicit or use partial matches. Let's do a contains search for SEP. Now we see every record where the details field contains SEP. This is slightly different from the general keyword search, which looks across all fields. Finally, coming soon, exporting results. You'll be able to export search results as a CSV or PDF, making it easy to store or share. And that's the high-level overview of the new Cisco Audit Log capabilities. Faster searches, smarter filters, and more control over your data. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of Cisco Audit Logs.